This is a wall faucet. It's one of the most common ones we see in my area. It's an antifreeze wall faucet, or some people call it a spigot or a hose bib. The way these work is you have a water line inside the home that supplies here. Right here is where your garden hose connects, and this is where it screws onto the side of your house. The rest of this is concealed within your home. There is a little gasket right here, and that gasket is what seals this from not having water come through. And on that gasket, there's this stem that follows its way all the way down where it's connected to the handle. So when you turn this on, it's actually opening and closing it right here. So you turn it on, and then water will travel through, fill this whole area up, and then go into your garden hose. What happens in the wintertime is if your garden hose is connected, it'll keep water trapped in this area here. And so what will happen is the water that's trapped in here will start to freeze. And as it freezes its way up and into this wall faucet. And then obviously frozen water expands. So that frozen water that's freezing inside of here will expand and rupture the side of this. Then what will happen is come springtime, when you go to turn your faucet on, this opens up, water starts to flow through, but then back here where it's inside of your home, there will be a large crack and water will pour out into your home. And that's where you find that people have flooded basements and have severe water damage just from this. And you got to imagine, so what's happening is you turn this on, you're outside watering your grass, you have no clue that this is broken and flooding out the inside of your house until you come inside and go downstairs and see what's going on. Make sure you disconnect the garden hose. That's a rundown of how this works. If you've got any more questions or anything further that you would like to know, just message me or comment in the comments and I'll reply.